Hey guys, it's Rachel, and welcome back to another Eats by Rachel video. In this week's video, I'm going to be talking about Magnolia Bakery's most legendary dessert, their banana pudding. For those of you guys who don't know, Magnolia Bakery is a bakery in New York that serves up different flavored banana pudding, and they recently released their recipe, and it's a very exclusive recipe online, so I thought I would give it a try. I've been lucky enough to try the Magnolia Bakery in Los Angeles, and let me tell you, that was some good stuff. So today I thought I would try and recreate their recipe to make their classic banana pudding. So without further ado, let's get into it. This recipe is super simple, but it does require you to make it ahead of time because it needs to be refrigerated for the best flavor. We are going to start by combining 7 ounces of condensed milk, which is about half a can, with 3/4 cup of ice cold water. I don't really know if you're supposed to include ice cubes, but I didn't really have ice cold water, so that's what I did. And then we're going to throw in about half a package of vanilla pudding, and they do recommend buying the Jell-o brand. So now we're going to whisk all of those ingredients together until they're combined, and then pour it into a smaller sized bowl that you can refrigerate. And we're going to refrigerate this mixture until it's set and a little bit more hard and solidified for about an hour. Once that's done, we are going to take 1.5 cups of heavy cream and then beat that up with a whisk until stiff peaks form. At that point, we are going to throw in the pudding mixture that we made earlier that should now be set and solidified from the fridge. And we're just going to mix those ingredients together until it's smooth and creamy. Once you reach the desired consistency that you're looking for, you're going to get a large glass container and start assembling. You'll also need a box of Nilla cookies and sliced bananas. I didn't have the full-sized Nilla cookies because of everything that's going on. They didn't have that at my local Safeway, so I got the mini versions instead, and those work just as well. Alright, so step 1 is to layer the cream. So we're going to put in a portion of that cream mixture that we just made, and then we're going to spread it out. Then we're going to add on a layer of the Nilla cookies. Make sure you just cover the entirety of the cream. This process may seem tedious, but it actually gets kind of relaxing after a while. You'll see. And once you've added the last Nilla cookie, you can go ahead and add on your sliced bananas. And you're going to do the same exact thing, layering the sliced bananas all over the cookies. You'll definitely need more sliced bananas than you think you will. I didn't think I would need more than 2 and 3 bananas, but I actually ended up using 4. So make sure you have a couple of ripe bananas on hand. And the last thing is to just repeat this process until you reach your final layer, in which you just cover it with the cream mixture that you made, and then you can top it off with garnish with some crushed Nilla wafer cookies or just some cookies that you can arrange in a circle like I did. Alright, once you have your masterpiece arranged, look at those beautiful layers, go ahead and refrigerate your banana pudding for at least 12 hours. And then go ahead and open it up, and the cookies should be nice and soft now, and it is time to dig in and see if this banana pudding compares to the one that I had at Magnolia Bakery. What I will say is that this recipe definitely has that same level of sweetness that the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding has, and I think that's because of the sweetened condensed milk. It's very creamy and very soft, kind of like melt in your mouth. I would say that it's just as good as the one that they serve in their bakery, so if you guys get the chance, definitely try this recipe out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.